We're now looking at the composite application that we built for Bottom Line Impacts Group, a company that specializes in training automobile repair shops in ways to help maximize income and manage their businesses more effectively. The application helps individual owners compare their performance results to other peers in the industry, and trainers and consultants from Bottom Line Impacts help the shops look at their numbers and look at ways to improve their profitability. The application does this in three ways. The first is a little bit of peer pressure, helps ensure that the member groups, the member shops, are entering their data on a monthly basis. The Tatler page that we're looking at now shows all of the peer members of the group, whether or not the other members in the group have submitted their numbers for a given month. The system then lets you go to a home page where you can see key financial data for the current year and last year to date and the current month. The underlying database engine records all of the information about individual monthly numbers and calculates summaries for the group as a whole and the year-to-date summaries, so that individual members can go into the report section and see that for a given month where their numbers are in relation to members of their group. So in this case, we're seeing that the group average is 46,000 and that the current month average is 54,000, prior month 64,000. So a member can come into this system and look at all of these summary pieces of information and look at where their shop compares to the group average. Trainers for Bottom Line use this information in a group setting to go through different numbers and to consult with the different shop owners in discussing different ways to maximize profitability and improve their business management. The third area of this application is a data entry section where they go to enter their numbers on a monthly basis. So they go through each section and enter in their profitability numbers and performance indicators for a given month. So it's a simple as possible app on the front end and a complex app on the back end to track these numbers and calculate all of the individual performance numbers and all of the group averages.